Hi, Jim, and everyone over there at Elite Paving and Concrete. My name is Charles Marine. I work with your local SEO professionals. We are a small company that helps businesses build their online presence in order to save money on advertising and also dominate the front page of Google. So, why am I making this video? First of all, I know right now in the SEO game, there are tons of companies that have a lot of guarantees. I wanted to just prove myself and show that I have a couple of tricks up my sleeve. Secondly, I know it takes time for business owners to choose the proper person and they may have been burnt before. So I'm going to offer you 3 free tips that you can implement now by yourself that can help build your online presence. So I don't want to waste your time or mine. So let me just get started. The 3 things I'm going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is everything that you can see here on your front page, everything highlighted. All the pictures, text behind the pictures, the text the pictures are saved as, any text on your page. Reason this is important is because Google, to optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 pages of text, words of text. And just going through your website, I think you have probably around 460, 470 words. I'm going to compare you with your competitor. When I Googled asphalt paving contractors in Philadelphia, PA, one of the first results over here on the map pack and on the organic results was Philly Concrete and asphalt paving. So going to their website, um, yeah, you can see almost the same number of words, about 460, 50, I would say. So it's easy to beat your competitor just by adding content. And by content, you need keyword-rich content. By that I mean keywords are the phrases people type. Like when I typed in asphalt paving contractors Philadelphia, PA. That's a buyer intent keyword. I'm looking for asphalt paving contractors in Philadelphia, local services. So this keyword, when typed in, will Google will bring up results. If you saturate your pages with enough text and enough keywords, Google will take you as an authority and rank you higher. So introducing keywords and the right amount of text is important for all your pages. And I'm gonna get back to keywords in a second. The second thing I wanted to talk about is concerns this part of a Google search here with a map. It's called the map pack. Usually it's right below the ads, Google ads. Now these Google ads, they're always hit or miss. A lot of people have ad blocker, and sometimes just having an ad here costs a lot of money. So I can tell these companies here, they know about marketing, but I'm sure that not a lot of people click the ads, not as much as the map pack or the organic results here. So back to this part. How does one rank here? Why is your competitor ranking here? Well, it has all to do with citations. Citations are anywhere your company business name, address, and phone number is listed or cited in any directory online. For example, on Yelp, on Facebook, LinkedIn, Yext, Yellow Pages, whitepages.com, any of those directories. This just means here that they have the most matching citations across the internet. And I have a tool that can help us find the number of citations. It's called WhiteSpark. It's a popular tool. And it has a citation finder within it. You can see here Philly Concrete and Asphalt Paving has about 34 citations. So it would be pretty easy. These are the different directories. What I would do, or what your website person can do, is just go in to each one of these directories, make sure you're in them, and also we just don't want to just match the citations. You want to at least double or triple your number of citations so that you stay at the top of this map back. The last thing I want to talk to you about, which is pretty important when it comes to ranking, is this area here, which consists of the organic search results. Now, the reason I say it's important, I'm going to pull up an article I was reading from Bright Local. It says that research finds 92% of consumers visit local business websites when deciding which business to use. On top of that, 70% of people click on this very first, more than 70% of people click on the first page. That's why it's important to rank high on the front page of Google. Now, how do you do that? How do you get to the top of this organic section here? Well, that's where backlinks come in. What backlinks are links that go from another website to your website, on another website or domain to your website, pointing towards you. And now the more backlinks you have, the better it is. However, not all backlinks are created equal. And I'll show you using this tool I have called Ahrefs. Now, if I typed in your address here, and I can tell you have about 649,000 backlinks, which is a lot. However, first, before I go into your backlinks, I want to show you here, this is basically the strength of the backlinks, the distribution from 0 to 100. Majority of yours are very low, which makes me assume that someone did some SEO for you in the past, but filled you with tons of low quality backlinks. We can actually go in and look at what they are. And I can see here best fake Rolex fakes. These have nothing to do with what your business does. And also, the traffic on them is all zero. So definitely, there's no one goes into those sites. They are not high quality sites. They have nothing to do with what your business is doing. Google sees it as spammy and doesn't consider your site to be as strong. Now, I just want to do the same to your competitor site, Philly Concrete and Asphalt. You can see they don't have as many links, backlinks, and they're also low quality. So these are easy to beat. They don't seem as spammy because they're less. They're not in the hundreds or close, over 500 low quality links. So therefore, Google would consider this a more authoritative site. Organic keywords is another part I want to just touch on. Now, what I searched for in the beginning was asphalt paving contractors, Philadelphia. And taking a look at your competitor's site, for this keyword that I typed in, about 20 people search for it every month. And their ranking, they just went up. Well, they're ranking first now, but this is compared to June 2021. They've gone up. This shows third because it was updated on July 19th. So Ahrefs gives you a good estimate, but sometimes you have to take note of such issues. However, now when I click on that keyword, I can see by domain who shares the power, the position. So like I said, the number 3 here, your competitors, and let's see, you are down here at number 14, which is probably the 4th or the 5th page, which means out of all the traffic you could be getting, you're getting none of them almost. So anyone searching for that is hard for you to see. Now, just building up your backlinks and building up your site, you're able to rise for this keyword. Probably we can beat your competitor and beat Home Advisor as well eventually. And I don't know about you, but maybe having 6, 7, 8, 9 more customers coming to your website, I'm sure that depending on your conversion rate, that would mean a lot. And that's just for one organic keyword. And like we saw here before, they're ranking for many. So you can come to each and every competitor who's ahead of you, look at the keywords, and find out how to rank better for those keywords. So I hope you've learned something from what I've been telling you. I've been saying, oh, one last thing I did not overview your site. Here we go. Like I had said, the keywords you rank for are not as many. In fact, I don't pay for these other positions because they're virtually useless to see about, to learn about. But you're ranking for a few. However, your position is very low for them. So if you would insert more of those keywords into your site, I'm sure you'd rank higher. And it would be a good idea to include a lot more keywords that your top competitors are using in order for you to rank higher with more keywords that are relevant to your business. Thank you, Elite Paving. Again, my name is Charles. My email address is charles@yourlocalseopros.com. I would love some feedback on the video if you got a chance to it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. I hope this has helped you. You can hand these tips to your website or SEO person. No harm, no foul if you don't want to go with me. But if you'd like to save time and stress and have a transparent, monitored progress throughout the months to see how you're doing, please give me a call or send me an email. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your time.